Stateless, Migrant, and Thai citizenship laws with a case study of the impact to healthcare service and education in Thai province. A stateless person is a person who is not considered as a national by state under the operation of its law, which means stateless people do not have any nationality from any country. There are about 150,000 Burmese refugees living in Thailand in 9 official camps, which exclude a known number of migrant peoples and children. Cross-border migration has been occurring for centuries with Thailand and Myanmar. Thailand's economic growth and development are the pool fertile for neighborhood countries like Myanmar, Cambodia, and Vietnam. With the push fertile of armed conflicts, political pressures, and economic hardship from Myanmar, people has been looking for a better place, better security, and better opportunities. Especially ethnic minority groups from Myanmar have been fleeing to Thailand, and the migration population has been increasing. Those refugees people do not get social protection and their futures are uncertain. Mostly children get affected from those parents' migration. Lack of accessibility and knowledge are the biggest barrier faced by the ethnic minorities. They are not aware of their rights and legal process. Since they are not citizens of both countries, they cannot reach full protections and rights in the national state system. People who are born with alien, as called in Thailand, they basically lost their opportunities and chance to the access of education and healthcare system, which are basic needs of life. Also, not having those ID card also let them not get busy pay at works too. Despite the commitment of education for all from the Sustainable Development Goals, there are many children that are out of school because schools from both Thailand and Myanmar need ID card to enroll. And Thailand also has been established border regimes, including operating making ID card for each document, and also those documents has a certain rights and protection with some restriction in each document. Statelessness is a serious consequence that happens to every stateless migrant. Governments are responsible for those who their nationals are. Policy reform, legal actions are needed to address stateless migrant people. Every organization, agencies, societies, and government has the responsibilities and have their roles to protect them, identify them, and reduce them and prevent any harm happen to them.